Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup collection video, and it's not a big collection because I just turned 16 about a month ago, and I was never a person that was really into makeup, and I don't know, I think I'm now transitioning into being very into makeup and stuff like that. So I kind of want to start my collection off. Not saying that I don't own any makeup, but I just don't own a major, massive collection. Like when you see a lot of beauty gurus on YouTube, they have like shelves and like bookcasing, like just like massive, like they own every color, like every single shade of M.A.C eyeshadow that was just ever created. They own every shade of blush, every single shade. They just have like every single shade, and they probably don't even wear them. Me, I'm kind of like now trying to, I don't know, like get into the process of like figuring out, because I don't even know anything about makeup. I don't know what half of some of this stuff is used for. I'm just now learning. Right now I'm not wearing any makeup. I was just like a mascara and lip gloss type of a person. Like I didn't really do this whole foundation and concealer type stuff. I don't know, I didn't really do it. And I'm kind of like right now trying to like test things out, trying to see what are my favorite brands. Right now I'm starting off with my drugstore thing. Like just starting off with my drugstore. It's not high end right now. I think I started off with M.A.C, but that's only because that's what my mom uses, so I kind of just like got into it because of her. But I kind of want to try out NARS because I've never tried out anything from them before. I'm going to try out Bobbi Brown and Sephora. I want to try out like a lot of different things, but I'm really just starting out, and I kind of like want to do, I know that a few years from now I will have a massive collection, but I kind of like want to show you guys where I started and what my makeup collection started from. And so I'm just going to show you guys. Alright, so I did film this video before on my phone, and then when I tried to upload it, it just didn't upload. It was telling me some crap about how there's not enough storage, or file is too big, some crap like that. So I have to do it again, but I don't mind because I'm bored right now and it's raining outside, so perfect time to do a video. So as you can see, this is one small tin, and all of my makeup is just kept in this one tin. I have no other makeup besides what is in this tin what is in this like tin box right now. And this is a pretty quick overview of everything that's inside, and of course I'm going to show you guys everything that's in it as of right now. Alright, so I have my webcam in a really awkward position, and I hope it doesn't just like fall off of my computer while I'm doing this video. But I'm trying to make this as quick and as fast as possible because I don't want this to be a long video because it's not a big collection. So first thing I have is this the Colossal Volume Express mascara. This is $17.39. I got this for, I really like this mascara. It really just makes my eyelashes look really nice. This other mascara, I think this mascara was like $2, and I really like this one too because it really makes my eyelashes look long. It's the M.A.C lengthening mascara. I really like this one. I want to go back and get this, and it's the color Extreme Black. This was like my first and only liquid eyeliner that I own. This is from the drugstore. It's called Black Radiance, and this is $2.99. Lipsticks, I have this, I think it's called NK. This is NK, but it's like a very like a hot pink, and it's called Pink Tint. I have another NK, and it's the shade Red. I have this other pink shaded color, and it's Eliza Pink, I think it's called, but I don't know, I may throw this one out. I really do not know why my camera is freezing so much, but it's very annoying. I have this obsession with having the perfect eyebrows ever. So I got this browser kit by M.A.C, and I really like it. It kind of has like the shadow thing, and it kind of has like the gel. I don't know, I really like this, and it came with a pair of tweezers. Like, tweezers are amazing. Okay, I have this Beauty Rush lip gloss, this other Beauty Rush lip gloss, Beauty Rush lip gloss again, another Beauty Rush lip gloss again, another Beauty Rush lip gloss again, another Beauty Rush lip gloss, and another Beauty Rush, but this is like a lip balm Beauty Rush. I think that was it. And I have another Beauty Rush one in my bag. 7 Beauty Rush unnecessary lip glosses that I have right now. Alright, so I have these 2 Great Lash waterproof mascaras. I don't use neither of them because I just don't like waterproof makeup, so these are kind of a waste. And this is kind of when I discovered waterproof makeup. I never really knew about them until I got these. Alright, these are my 3 MAC eyeshadows. These are like the only 3 that I have that are like this. And this is Coppering, Amber Lights, which I really like, is a good color, and Expensive Pink. I don't know, I just don't think that any other color eyeshadow really looks good on me besides gold, but that's just of now, and that's just because my first eyeshadow that I had was gold, so I just kind of stuck with it because it was just safe. I have this other MAC, and it has like the 2 colors, and I really like this one. I don't know if they still have it, but this is another. I have this MAC lipstick powder, which again I don't really use just because I don't know, I just don't use it. So I mean, I just have it to have it. I have a MAC lip gloss, and it's called Babied, I think it's called, and it's like a nudish color. I have this regular clear MAC lip gloss. It's just like a regular clear lip gloss. I have these 3 Chanel sample lipsticks, and they're all in the same color, but they were samples, so it doesn't matter. And these are kind of like old, so I don't know why I have them. And my sister was like how these kind of look like a granny color on me, so I mean, I don't know, I just have them. Alright, so this is my first ever concealer that I own. I recently just got this, and it's by NYX. I really like it. It was $5.49 for it, and I use this really because I said I like perfect eyebrows, so I use this under my eyebrows. And yeah, I don't think that I really am going to venture out to find another concealer because I found this one and it works fine, so I don't think I really need to find one. And because it serves the purpose as like cleaning up under my eyebrows, so I really like this, and I don't think I'm going to get anything else for it. Okay, so this is my Fashion Fair powder. It's just like a face powder. I don't know, like I didn't use liquid foundations. I don't know, I grew up with the face powders, and I had actually got this because of my 8th grade prom. And I mean, I wouldn't have this now if it wasn't for that, because I don't really wear makeup, and I only used this that one time, and for my cousin's engagement party I never really used it again because I don't wear makeup every day. Alright, so I have these 3 lip balms. 3 of them are Blistex, and the other one is Carmax. So this one here has like a SPF of 20, like sunscreen or whatever in it. And yeah, I mean, you need this to moisturize. I don't know why I have so many of them, but I have them. I had this pack of brushes, and they were $2 for them, and it has like an eyebrow brush, and it has like 4 brushes in them. I mean, these are like some cheap brushes that you can already see some of the bristles coming out of it, but I just got them because I have like 0 makeup brushes, so I just got them just to have them, and I just needed the one brush inside of it just to apply my concealer for under my eyebrows. So yeah, this is a waste. I need to get like some MAC brushes or something, like really good quality brushes. I have a NYX silver eyeliner pencil, and I have a NYX eyebrow pencil, and I really like this eyebrow pencil. It really matches and it just does the job. I got this Milani, and this is kind of like when I was experimenting that I'm buying the wrong stuff. I got this Milani Easy Brow Pencil, and it's totally too light for my thick, dark eyebrows. It just wasn't working out. So I don't know what I was going to use this for. It just doesn't help. I don't know. This is just a waste of money, but yeah, that's what I get for experimenting. I just wasn't buying my correct shades. I have this other NYX blue eyeliner pencil. I think that NYX is going to be like my favorite drugstore brand. I don't know. Everybody always talks about e.l.f., but I haven't even seen e.l.f. in the drugstores or beauty supply stores around my house. And I have these two Avon palettes, but these is like not all that anyways because they're not pigmented. And I have like other like garbage like in here because I don't know kind of this is just trash. This other lip gloss in here, just like all this stuff is just like unused, unneeded type things. I don't know. I used to like clean this out and throw some of this stuff out. I like sponges. I have these sponges, and I know I'm not gonna use these because they shouldn't have just been out in the open like that. But I don't know. I like sponges. But I don't know. Like, I like sponges to apply makeup with sponges better than brushes as of now. I don't know why, but maybe that's just me. Everybody uses brushes in a computer desk. And this thing has eyebrow stencils. I don't know. Like, I'm obsessed with having eyebrows. And it's kind of like a clear stencil. You just like press it on over your eyebrows when you're drawing them in. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm gonna do an eyebrow tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys. Like, I don't know. I just love having these perfect eyebrows. And I'm just like obsessed with it. Obsessed with them, even though you can't tell because there's so much light in this video, you really can't tell. But yeah, I just know I'm obsessed with them. But thank you guys for watching, and I promise that once I get like a very nice collection and I have like a proper storage unit for it, because I don't think it's like the proper way just having it in a box like that and stuff. But when I have all that stuff, I promise to do like an update video to show you guys where I ended up, and basically yeah, so anybody who's watching and you want to start a makeup collection, it doesn't matter if you start small, because I'm in the process. I don't know what I'm doing, or you know, I don't know, like I don't know about primers or any of that stuff, so I'm kind of like taking notes, and I'm kind of writing down things, and I'm experimenting with them. And look at my computer, is freezing again. But yeah, so I might as well just end this video right now. But I'm just kind of like experimenting and just trying to figure out. I'm just in the learning process. So if you're in the learning process too, you can do it. Okay, so bye. Alright, so I know I just ended this video and I said bye, but two things I want to say. First off, sorry for my outfit right now, but I'm kind of like in my pajamas. I didn't feel like it was necessary to get dressed up for this video, and I'm kind of like just like in like a tank top type thing. And then sorry for my hair. I didn't really do my hair. It was raining outside, so I just kept it. I don't know, just kept it straight, and I don't know, like it was just like whatever. I do have my nail growth video coming up soon. My nails are not at the length that I want them to yet, so I'm just not going to post the video until I finally get to the length. And I don't know, like I'm going on a month now of this nail growth process, so I'm kind of like getting so frustrated because my nails keep breaking. But I promise you guys that video is coming up soon, so look out for that one. And I think that's like the only video I think I have coming out. I don't know, maybe a back to school haul is coming out soon. I don't know about the back to school haul, but definitely the nail growth one. I don't know, I have to post that like before September or something like that, because I don't know what's going on with my nails, but they keep breaking because my pointer finger on my left hand broke, and then my thumbnail,